up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I just realized it's so long since I filmed. I don't even think you guys have seen my new short hair. So I've been kind of rocking this, I guess it's been a little over a month. And it feels really good. Of course I miss my long hair already, so I got extensions. So if it's short in this video and then the next one it's super long, don't be confused. I just bought some new extensions, so I'll probably be going back and forth and kind of playing with different lengths. But today, without further ado, is a Sephora Play unboxing. Yes, they are back. A little more enthusiasm, please. Much better. So, we're gonna jump right in. My box actually got lost. I don't know if it got lost or stolen, so this box is a couple days late because they had to reship me a new one. So thank you Sephora Play customer service team, because they didn't even ask any questions. They just reshipped it and expedited it. So I got it super quick. I guess without this box for 2 or 3 months, and I missed it so much, and I really do enjoy getting sample size products. It gives me a chance to kind of play around with some new stuff, and I look forward to it, and honestly I get a lot of use out of most of the products, so I think it's worth it. Again, if you don't know what Sephora Play is, it is a beauty box subscription from Sephora, so everything that you get in your box is things that obviously Sephora stocks, so you know they're all high-end products. Some are newer to their store, and other ones are oldies but goodies. They always give you 50 Beauty Insider reward points, so if you go in with this, you get to cash in on your points. I think you have to use it in store. This month's box is Destination Beauty, so we're just gonna go through the products one by one. Some of the things on here I've used before, and some are new to me, so I'm just gonna kind of take you guys through them. This is the back. It gives you different things about what not to forget if you're going out to different destinations this summer. So super cute. I love the themes every month. This is what this month's looks like. Okay, and obviously my hair is crazy today, so just don't even. It's a lot thicker now that I cut it, but it's a little wily today. So, all right, let's jump in. Okay. All right, so first things first, I have a Tarte Found Sealer Skincare. Okay, the only thing that needs to work hard when you're on PTO is your foundation. That's why this multitasking formula is a first-class favorite. So it's a sheer to light coverage. It says, for sheer light coverage, you tap on with your fingertips. For light to medium, tap on with a beauty sponge, and for medium, buff it on with a foundation brush. Super cute packaging. I like it. I've never actually tried a foundation from Tarte, and I guess they call it a Found Sealer because it can be used as a foundation and concealer. Yeah, it just says multitasking foundation, so super cute. I like it. Definitely will. Oh my gosh, the packaging is so cute and tropical. Next, I love this product so much. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask in the original berry scent. It says, when holidaying, use any excuse to sleep a little longer. For instance, my overnight lip mask needs more time to moisturize. Wake me up in an hour. Cute. So this is a K-Beauty skincare brand, and I mean, I pretty much use this. That's so cute. It's such a little mini one. I pretty much use this every night before bed, but you don't need to use it overnight. It's just a really nice lip mask. It smells amazing. I have obviously lip gloss on already, but it is tinted a light pink shade. So I'm just gonna slather it over, and it just smells so good and makes your lips feel so hydrated and just gives you a little pop of color. I love that they included this. This is awesome. But I love this so much. I have the full size in my bedroom. Okay, next we have a squalane and tea tree detox mask. Whether your trip is packed with excursions or is luxuriously itinerary free, there's always time for a calming, softening face mask that draws out impurities. So it says evenly apply a quarter size amount to clean dry skin, avoiding the eye area, leave on 10 minutes, then wet skin, gently massage and rinse thoroughly. You can either use it all over or just in your problem areas. Just want to smell it real quick. Ooh, yeah, it does smell like tea tree. What color is it? Yeah, so it's kind of like, it looks like it'll probably dry like a mud mask. Yeah, that smells really nice. Awesome. You guys know I love me a face mask, so definitely am looking forward to trying that one. Next up, we have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair BarriAIR Cream. It's supposed to be barrier, but they did a play on words. BarriAIR, so it's probably like an airy, light kind of moisturizer. Just like a suitcase helps keep the good things in and bad things out, this cream helps keep moisture in and pollution, irritants, and allergens out. I don't know if I've ever used this. I've used like maybe one thing from First Aid Beauty, but I don't think I've used this one. It seems like it's probably like a heavier cream. Doesn't really have a scent. It's scent-free. Massage a quarter size amount onto clean skin morning and night. Using a serum, apply this moisturizer right after to get maximum benefits. So just a really nice moisturizer. I thought, you know, it looks kind of heavier in here because it's like pretty thick, but it actually feels pretty light on the skin, so you can always use another moisturizer. Okay, next, I think this is another moisturizer. This one is one of my favorites. I actually tried this for the first time. What beauty expo was I at? I think I was at Gen Beauty. It was Ipsy's like Generation Beauty in LA, and I got this for the first time there, and I tried it and I was like, wow, this is so good. So this is the True Cream Aqua Bomb. Cannonball into hydration with an ultra lightweight, antioxidant-rich moisturizer that feels like a pool party for your face. And that is true. It is so, you can tell this one is like much, well, maybe you can't tell, much lighter. And it's got like a very fresh scent, so if you don't like scented things, you may not like this, but I actually like it, and it's just so hydrating. It just feels so good. Apply a quarter size amount morning and night or throughout the day as needed, or you can use it as a 10-minute emergency moisture mask. This feels so good. I've gone through many of these, so I will definitely be using that as well. And last but not least, we have the bonus this month, which is Hum Nutrition. This is a brand I wanted to try their vitamins, like they have gummies and stuff, but honestly, they're just kind of overpriced in my opinion, so I've never purchased them, but I've had them like in my cart, then I take them out of my cart. I think I had the red carpet ones that are supposed to be like really good for your skin. And I don't know, a lot of these vitamins are like so much hype. So I wanted to like ensure that it justified the price point. But I've never purchased them, so I am excited to try them. This is one daily vitamin for you, one for your hair. This gummy promotes healthy strands, plus it's really tasty. This all-natural line of supplements aims to solve beauty and lifestyle concerns from the inside out and keep your body humming along. So, this one's called Hair Sweet Hair for stronger, healthier hair. It's got biotin, folic acid, B12, zinc, and PABA. 2 vegan berry gummy hearts. So, aw, this is what they look like. How cute. They are good. Granted, it tastes a little funky because my brush my teeth, but they're really cute. Look at that. I appreciate the cuteness factor of this. Alright, so that is it for this month's Sephora Play unboxing. I think this is June. Can't be July yet. Yeah, this has to be June. So thank you everybody for watching. Hopefully you like my new bob. I think it's a bob. It's like shoulder length. But anyway, I'll be back very soon. I think, this is really funny. I think the next video I'm going to film is going to probably be the most random video to exist on my channel because my dad recently visited California and he stayed with me and, you know, was asking me about earthquakes and stuff, and he's like, do you have like a safety earthquake kit? And I was like, for what? He's like, for earthquakes. I'm like, we're not gonna get an earthquake here. They've been saying we're gonna get an earthquake for years. He's like, Rachel, you should have an earthquake kit. So he starts sending me like all of this random stuff in the mail, like a 30 pack of toilet paper. Like, I don't think I'm gonna run out of toilet paper till like 2021 at least. And then he sent me like a 50 pack of water to like keep in my closet. And then he also bought me an earthquake kit backpack that has everything that you need. And actually when I first moved to LA, I was like, oh, it'd be really funny to do like what's in my earthquake kit. And sure enough, my dad has made that come true because he actually bought me an earthquake kit. So I'm gonna go through the backpack and show you guys everything that's in there. I thought it'd be a really funny video, so stay tuned for that next. Hopefully you guys are having a great week and see you guys all in my next video. Bye.